So how can you turn off notifications on the Apple Watch? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So I believe that by far the best way to do it is by going to the Watch app on the iPhone, and in there check out the notifications section. So you can see that it is right here. So yeah, it's actually, of course, it can be done or changed on the watch itself, but I find it to be better in here. And when you go to notifications, you can literally just go through all of the individual apps and then decide if they can deliver them to you or not. So it works on this like app by app level. So you can go, for instance, to your messages and either decide that your iPhone's settings will apply to the watch by mirroring my iPhone, or you can go to the custom and click on notifications off. Right? So that's how you can disable them altogether, or just customize it, like perhaps turn off the sounds or the haptic feedback or some different things which might be going on. And you have to go through all of the other apps which are available in here. Some of them can deliver notifications, some of them don't have that option, right? So that's how it works for the built-in apps. The third-party apps have their own different section below, and it's the mirror iPhone alerts from apps which are technically not available on the watch but can still like display notifications from iPhone. So another set of toggles which you can change and tweak according to your preferences. So I would really appreciate your feedback if you let me know if you actually like managed to find it and set it up according to your preferences. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later. So stay tuned for more, and I'll talk to you later in the future.